In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Figma design with a client. By the end, you'll confidently send a file to a client while keeping control over who can view or edit it, and you'll understand exactly what happens after you send the invite. Start by opening the design file you want to share in Figma. Look to the top right corner of the window and find the Share button. It's easy to spot and it's available from almost anywhere in your file, so you don't need to switch views or leave your canvas. Click that button to open the sharing panel. This panel is where all the access settings live, and it's the place you'll use anytime you want to add or remove collaborators. In the sharing panel, you'll see a field where you can type the client's email address. Carefully enter the email they use for their Figma account. If they don't have a Figma account yet, that's okay. Figma will prompt them to create one when they open your invite. It's worth double-checking the spelling here to avoid sending access to the wrong person or having the invite bounce. Right next to the email field, you'll find a permission dropdown. This is important. Choose the appropriate role before you send the invite. For most client reviews, Viewer is the safest choice because it lets them open the file, inspect the design, and leave comments without changing anything. Only switch to Editor if you explicitly want them to make changes in the file. You can also add a short message to give context, like what page to look at or what kind of feedback you're hoping for, which helps your client know where to focus. Once the email and permission look correct, click Invite. Figma immediately sends an email notification to the address you entered and grants access to the file at the same time. Your client can open the link from that email and jump right into the design. If they're new to Figma, they'll be guided through signing in or creating an account before they view your file. After they're in, they can navigate pages, zoom, and, if you gave them comment access, leave notes directly on frames so feedback stays organized and tied to specific parts of the design. That's it. You clicked Share, entered the client's email with the right permission level, and clicked Invite. If your client doesn't see the email right away, remind them to check their spam or promotions folder. And remember, you can return to the same Share panel anytime to adjust permissions or remove access as your project evolves.